Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Hope you are all having a great day. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to show everyone an older video. I originally uploaded this video August 12th, 2023 on my other YouTube channel, RocketCat525. When I recently created my new YouTube channel, RocketCat525 Bricks, I figured I would re-upload this video again on my new channel that's all dedicated to Lego content. The channel you're watching right now. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video, had a lot of fun filming it. It is the Lamborghini Huracan. It was a really great build. Thanks so much for watching. Hello everyone and welcome to the video. I hope everybody enjoys it. I'm going to be building the Lamborghini Huracan Technics Lego set. I am going to be uploading some other Lego videos on my channel moving forward. I'm trying to change things up. And I've always liked Legos. I hope everybody enjoys it. Don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also notification bell. And thanks for watching. This is the Lego set I'm going to be building today. The Lamborghini Huracan Lego Technics set. 806 pieces. It's really cool. I've always liked the Lego Technics series. It's just a really cool series that's been around for a while now. This thing's got a lot of intricate pieces. The box is really cool as well. Trying to show everybody the box art here because it's really cool box art. Anyways, I hope everybody will enjoy this. Always like this part. I find it satisfying when you're pouring the Legos out of the box. Let's see, how many bags of Legos? Oh, you got a cool instruction booklet here. And how many bags of Legos do we have? 8 bags of Legos that came with this Lamborghini Huracan. A lot of different pieces, and then you got your stickers. A lot of pieces. The book's really cool too. Thick book. Let's see how many. Let's look at some of the pages here. All the intricate pieces that go with this. See how many steps this has. It has 263 steps. Cool, cool. All right, let's get to work on this and start building it. Here I am the next day building on the Lamborghini Huracan. This is the progress I have made currently. It's looking cool, it's looking cool. All the intricate pieces. Really enjoying building this Lego set. I highly recommend it to anybody looking for a new Lego set that enjoys building Technics, Lego Technics. It's really good. I'm currently just starting step 77. Anyways, the set's coming along really good. And I've still got all those bags to go. On step 77. Let's see here. We're looking for this piece and one of these and 2 of these. Let's see. And then we need this one. Okay, now we're going to put them together. Got to make sure you do it just right or they won't fit. Well, let's see. Put these 2 here and should fit. Here we're doing it in the right spot. Well, got the wrong one. There we go. Now we got the right one. And we'll put this one right here. Just like that clicks into place. I like the detail too. You can see when the wheel, the pistons for the car are going to move. It's really cool. And then you got all that turns, and then you got your down there. Let's see, let me get this. You got your gears moving it, and you get the right. Anyways, as I come along with the build, it's going to look better and better. And here I am another day building on the Lamborghini Huracan Lego set. It's really coming along good here. This set has been a lot of fun to build so far. All right, as we're continuing on here, step 153 now. One more. Building the front right now. There it is, there it is. Let's see, green one. Kind of get on a roll here. Once you start finding the pieces. And then we put this one goes on this side. And all right, coming along with the hood here, it's looking better. Now we're on page 166. Or we're on step 166, I mean. Not page 166. It says the pieces that this step requires. The green or the red. And there I go. Finally got the hood on there that I was building. Looks cool. It looks like a Lamborghini Huracan now. It's starting to take shape. I'm getting very close to being done. I'm currently to step 209. Here is the Lamborghini Huracan so far. Getting close, getting close. Just made it to step 234. Putting the fenders on for the wheels now. And we've added these pieces here for the windows. It's getting there, it's getting there. Very, very close. Just got the first door built and installed. Looks great. I just finished all 263 steps of the Lamborghini Huracan, and here is the finished product. It's got the hood that opens, the two doors. It's really cool. Then you can turn the wheel with this piece right here. got the pistons there that when you're moving it, they actually turn. All the detail with all the stickers that came with it to put on it. Everyone, thank you so much for watching the video today. I really appreciate everybody for watching my first ever Lego build. I'm going to be doing some more Lego builds in the near future. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Stay safe, and don't forget, be kind to one another. And until the next video, bye everybody, and peace. Really appreciate everybody watching this video. I've got some awesome videos coming out in the future. Hope everybody will consider subscribing to this channel and hit that notification bell down below also. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.